Hello friend, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss importance of English listening. Hello guys, this video will be effective to get fluent in English. Please watch this video begin to end. Hello guys, I would like to tell you importance of English listening. Listening is best activity to grab knowledge. I mean, when you listen something, we came to know about that knowledge. No matter which book I read, we get knowledge. Every student, teacher, professor, leader, author, uh, yeah, or mm, so many person, they are need to listening. Listening the vital role to learn any language. I mean, you want to learn any like uh, language, Hindi, Marathi, English, Urdu. At that time, we have to listen again and again. Through we can work that way. You just observe some child baby. When we speak, at that time, first he listen, and sooner or later he speak some word. Also, accent. We want to implement your awesome accent. At that time, we have to listen as much as one. I mean, there are many accent: American, Australian, Polish, Japan, China, British, Canada, and so on. We have to listen again and again. That's we can implement our accent. Also, word like pronunciation. We want to implement our word word pronunciation. We have to listen again and again. It's really important to listening. That's improve our word pronunciation. Without listening, we can't implement our word uh, uh, pronunciation. Also, vocabulary and sentence. We want to implement our vocabulary and sentence formation. At that time, we have to listen again and again. Through the listening, we can improve our vocabulary and sentence formation. Also, while listening, focus of the understanding. I mean, which we listen like so many English speech, English podcast, English some motivational video. At that time, try to focus that sentence is understanding. It is helpful to get knowledge. Also, it help to think in English. I mean, when you listen, that's no matter English, Marathi, Hindi, which kind of book you read. At that time, we think in English. That also again listen through that words comes automatically in our mouth. I mean, when we listen like so many, like any book, English, Marathi, Hindi, Urdu, and listen some song, that's words, that sentence comes in our mouth automatically. It will helpful to get and to speak English fluent. That's why English is vital rule to all people in life while making the conversation to everyone. I mean, without listening, we can't interacting to each other. I mean, we can't give in each five. That's why while speaking, is listening also important. Also, while speaking on the voice call, at that time when we attend some call, at that time we have to listen properly. Without proper listening, we can't give his question is answer. That's why listening is really important to all call center person. As also when we go to interview, at that time we have to listen properly. It's interview. Then we can speak confidently in his answer. Only through the listening our through comes to in our mind. Only through the listening that's what comes to in your mind automatically. I mean to say that when we do some meditation, at that time we connect some earphone. Through the earphone, that's what comes to in your mind. That's why listening is important to there. There are many equipment to listening are available in like YouTube, like TED Talk, Josh Talk, English Story, English Podcast, English Audiobook, English Dialogue, English News, English song, English uh, 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 conversation. That's really important to get knowledge. Also through the listening, our minds control get control the stress. I mean, when we seem some straight at that time, we listen some motivational, some that song, some like mm, I mean to say that uh, when we listen some song, uh, uh, we get to control in our stress. Also, while the listening, our mind keeps calm, compose, and relax. Also, at that time, we have to focus in our soul, mind, body keeps relaxed. Also, that is really important to the listening. And you just see, only good listener is the good speaker. You just see, there are many speaker, there are many motivational speaker, and also there are many motivational speakers, also uh, uh, entrepreneur. They read a book, they listen most of books. That's why they came to know his knowledge. That's why listening is best rule to all English learner. I would like to tell all guys, I think as per my record, all guys listen daily 20 minutes in the evening and in the morning. At least 20 minutes. We must listen some English song, English podcast, English news, English dialogue. It will helpful to become a fluent in English. I request to all guys, if you really liked my video, please watch and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button. Then you will get my all video notification. And again, thanks for watching all guys in my video.